Homemade face washes can be made with natural ingredients that are gentle, effective, and affordable. They can help cleanse, exfoliate, and balance the oil production of your skin without harsh chemicals or artificial fragrances. Dry face wash can help to maintain the skin's natural moisture balance, leaving it feeling soft and supple. Additionally, dry face wash can be beneficial for those with acne-prone skin. Certain oils, such as those high in linoleic acid, have been found to have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Today in this video, I will share how to make DIY face wash for dry skin. Mix 2 tablespoons gram flour. It naturally moisturizes without stripping off the skin's natural oils. With equal amount of raw milk, hydrate and moisturize your skin, thereby helping you solve the issue of dryness and itchiness. Mix these ingredients until to get smooth paste. Apply all over face and massage in gentle upward circular motions. Wash it off after 2 to 3 minutes.